This is gonna be a tough one. I just, I could barely stop laughing to get the camera recording. Um, the video you're watching, it's probably gonna get taken down because anything that makes the narrative look bad gets copyright um, taken down. It's 20, it's 2022. Jesus Christ. Jesus. I'll just have to chop this up, man, because this is like we can't even let 1 second of the new year go by without corporate leftists or corporate leftist supporters, or I don't know what to call these people. They've already gone super cringe 1 second into 2022. They're they're French kissing with masks on outside. They've got masks on. Now I could, I'll give them. I'll even give them the first round just because it's a mask mandate, right? I guess. I mean, I think I don't even know, but everyone has masks on, so it's a mask mandate. So I might give him the first one. But then when he put the ring on, he readjusted the mask. uh, if the CDC, let me not. I did a video how I said that I think a lot of these people, I don't know them, but in particular, but a lot of these people think government is God. If government told them to make love with a mask on, they would do it. They would do whatever the government said. We're 1 second into 2022 and we've got a contender for worst moment of the year. We're 2 years into this. Like this isn't like it just popped off. Like the whole scare tactics and pandemic. We're 2 years into this. I would be willing to bet all the money in my wallet right now. They've got 6 injections between them. I bet you they're fully, and I think they required it. I don't know to attend it. I bet you they've got 6 injections in. They're outside. The masks are dirty as hell. The TV host is right next to them without a mask on. So they're V'd up. They're outside. The masks are dirty. If they wanted to drink, if they needed to drink a bottle of water, they could take the mask off. I just, I don't know, man. I really, I just, people have lost their damn mind, man. People have lost their damn mind. Like, jeez. They're kissing with, they're kissing with masks on now. This, this is a mental disorder. This is not normal. Even if you believe in the masks, you can take them off for 5 minutes to kiss your new fiance. Are you that afraid? I I don't know, man. There was a story about this woman who was taking a flight from Chicago to Iceland, and it's unbelievable the way where the fear is right now. Before the flight, she told CNN that she had taken 2 PCR tests and about 5 rapid tests, all that came back negative. She said about 5. So that means it could have been more, could have been less. So she took about 7 tests, all negative. But about an hour and a half into the flight, she started to feel a sore throat. A sore throat. Okay. So then she said, a quote from her, the wheels started turning in my brain, and I thought, okay, I'm just going to take a test. Keep in mind, she'd just taken 7 tests, according to her. She's like, I'm just going to take one more. She was going to take tests until one of them came back positive, guys. She's scared out of her mind. She's fully vaccinated. She has the booster. What are we doing now? Like you're fully. What does fully vaccinated mean? And now we're talking. Whatever. She's all the way up to date with her shots. She's an early childhood teacher in Chicago. She tests consistently since she works with an unveed population. When she got her results, she got them in the airplane bathroom over the Atlantic Ocean. And she said she started to panic. The first flight attendant she ran into was Rocky. She was hysterical. She was crying. Do you understand the amount of stress that she's under right there? I'm not here to admonish regular citizens. This is an example of how crazy things have gotten. Stress is unhealthy. That's a health problem. Just the stress. Probably, let me stop. She said, I was nervous for my family who I just had dinner with. I can understand that. I can understand that. I was nervous for other people on the plane. I would have to let them know. I understand that. She said, of course, it's a stress factor when something like this comes up, and that's part of her job. The flight attendant said she did what she could to try and rearrange seats, but the flight was full. So what are you going to do? When she came back and told me she couldn't find enough seating, I opted to stay in the bathroom because I did not want to be around others on the flight. That's fine. I mean, I appreciate her being extra cautious. But she was inside the bathroom for about 3 hours. Let me just reiterate that. Those little nasty ass airplane bathrooms. When you go to that airplane bathroom, you don't want to be in there more than 1 minute. She was in there for about, could be more, could be less, about 180 minutes. I hope she had headphones. Like, what the oh my God. She was inside the airplane bathroom for about 3 hours. 3 hours. With a mask on, with a face shield on, stressed and scared out of her mind. You know what? I don't even know. I'm starting to think that these people who are putting themselves in bathrooms for 3 hours and French kissing with masks, they've become a cancer to our country. I mean, I'm just going to have to flat out say it. This is 2022. This is not new. You shouldn't be doing this. "2022 is here. People are French kissing through dirty ass masks while outside after a marriage proposal, while the TV host is maskless, while if you wanted to drink a bottle of water, you could. We are too stupid to deserve freedom." And I don't know if this world is real. It's so stupid. I don't know if what I'm experiencing is real anymore. I didn't think people could reach that level of stupidity. Let me know what you think. Take care.